Welcome to Dominique's Vanity Corner, and today I wanted to share something special with you. I wanted to share with you guys my spa day routine. So I don't know about you, but I don't have the budget right now to go to the spa once a week or twice a week or every 2 weeks or once a month. Is kind of pushing it too, because when I like to go to the spa, I like to have the full everything. I love to get the facial, a massage, a body scrub. I like to get into the pools if they have it. I like to do everything. So because I don't have that budget yet, I like to bring the spa into my home. So let's go ahead and get into it. So for a spa day, I always, of course, love my candles. I usually have my music playing. Alexa, play some spa music.
The Station Spa on Amazon Music.
Okay, so we got our spa music going. I have my glass of wine and, anything that's going to help you relax and just enjoy your me time. I feel that so often we get caught up with work, school, our social life, hobbies, whatever it may be, that we don't take the time out for self-care. And when you neglect self-care, you'll begin to feel agitated. You'll feel that people don't care about you and that it's all about them and they're only here to take from you. And that can leave you really feeling depressed and miserable, and sometimes if you're not taking care of your beauty, it can make you feel ugly and not beautiful. So we don't want that. We want to appreciate ourselves before anybody else appreciates us. You need to, and we need to just appreciate ourselves first and put ourselves forward, so then we can pour into someone else without worrying about how they are making us feel. When we feel secure in whatever we're doing, it don't matter. We can just conquer the world. That's why I think self-care is so important, and that's why I continue to do it. I want to be very transparent, like this right here, showing you my skin with no makeup on. It feels very, very scary, but I just want to, bring you into my world and what I do to make myself feel beautiful. And this is it. It's my spa day. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? So there's two specific products that I love to use. First, for my face, I love to use Urban Skin RX. So I suffer from acne, obviously dark spots, and Urban Skin RX, this is the box I'm using. It's a meta spa in a box. So basically that means I'm bringing the medical spa into my home. This box, it would improve your pore size, reduce fine lines, smooth scarring, fade dark marks, and has for this, it's going to give you better product penetration when using MicroNeedling. So this Meta Spa in a box comes with the MicroNeedling tool. We have the Lactic Glow peel, and this is a polish, exfoliates and brightens the skin. I am dying to try this. We have the Super C Brightness Serum. This is a favorite of mine, and we'll get into this more. And then you have your Derma Shield, which is a sunscreen. And another product I use during my spa day, Diamonds by Dominique. Hint, hint, by Dominique. So this is a product I've been creating, you guys. It is a body scrub, which I love. I use all my favorite ingredients like cocoa butter, shea butter, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, argan oil, jojoba oil, and Mediterranean sea salts to exfoliate and polish your skin. You can see right here the scrub. Put that on you. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. So I'm going to get into this more on how to use it at the end of the video, but I just want to show y'all how great. Y'all see I'm ashy, but this is going to, ooh, look at that. Look at that. This is available for purchase on diamondsbydominique.com. So to go ahead and get started, let's use the Lactic Glow micro polish. I'm just going to wet my face. I just have my towel right here. So you probably don't need this much. The consistency. And then I'm just gonna go ahead with my fingertips and go in. I really love this already because it's very, very gentle, but I can feel it exfoliating. And you guys, if you have dark spots, exfoliation is gonna be your friend because it's gonna remove the top layer of your dead skin from the surface layer of the skin to reveal your natural beauty. So the back of the bottle says, This effective cleansing gel polish contains a special blend of natural alpha hydroxy acids, okay, citric malic acid, and lactic, plus natural jojoba beads that reveal skin clarity by gently dissolving cellular buildup. It polishes skins without irritation to reveal a brighter, fresher, more healthy complexion. It's gentle enough for daily use to clarify skin tone and accelerate the skin's natural renewal process. So, direction: massage gel into moist skin for 1 to 2 minutes to allow acids to digest dead skin cells. And then you rinse with water and follow up with your Urban Skin RX serums and moisturizer. Can be used once or twice daily. And since I'm doing it, I'm gonna do my lips because, yeah, I like doing my lips. Because I want a deep pore cleansing during my spa nights or spa day, I'm going to use a pumpkin pore detox mask and scrub. Now you can use this in combination with this because this is a gentle everyday. This is more like your twice a week type of deal, and I'm gonna let it sit. So I'm gonna take this off and then apply this. And yeah, I barely got anything left in here. While we're waiting for this mask to dry, I'm going to show you the microneedling tool. If you go to the spa, they offer you a service called microneedling. So microneedling is basically going to purposely put in micro needles into your skin to kind of, I guess, damage it, and so the penetration of the product can penetrate into the skin better. So you're purposely like pricking the skin to put the serum in it, and then that will wake the skin up type of deal, so your skin can absorb the product better. I know it sounds crazy, but it works. So like, think about it. If you ever get a dark mark, or not a dark mark, if you ever prick your skin, maybe fall or whatever it may be, and you use like Neosporin and it actually works, and you're like, oh wow, it worked, and it never looked like nothing happened. That's what microneedling is supposed to do. Look at this. Wow, I've only used this, I don't think I've ever had microneedling now that I think about it. I don't know if you can see it, but it has these little micro needles. Now after your face is fully clean, it's dry, now we're going to use the micro needling tool, and I'm super excited. Y'all don't even know, I'm super excited to use this. So it says thoroughly cleanse and dry skin, bam, wipe the skin with alcohol. Okay, hold on, let me go get the alcohol. I already have these little alcohol pads, so this should be fine, right? Just wipe the skin. Wipe the skin with alcohol. So my skin is not burning, just to let y'all know, because it will. It's not burning, but you know, the fumes in your eyes, yes, that happened. So my skin is not burning, so we know Urban Skin RX did their thing and made sure it is good for sensitive skin. Roll the micro needling device back and forth 4 to 5 times in each direction, so horizontally, vertically, and diagonally on the area you wish to treat. Apply light and consistent pressure to the full area after being treated. I'm just gonna start here. I can feel it. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I guess at this point I can just do how I wanted to do. I'm going and then you can apply your Super C Brightening Serum. But the last thing I'm gonna do during my spa day is to put on SPF. So Urban Skin RX has the Dermis Shield of 30 SPF, and all their products says to make sure to use a product that has at least 25 and up. So of course they're right on target. And then I'm just gonna put it on my face. Ooh, kind of purple, but I think I put too much. But this is going to make sure my dark spots don't be dark anymore. And it's gonna protect your face. It's gonna protect your face. And the sunscreen is gonna protect your face, of course, from the sun, and then make sure that these dark spots don't get any darker. It's supposed to be mattifying, but I think because I use a Super C serum, it gives me a nice glow. So, y'all see it? So I do have, y'all see the dark spots, and you know that's gonna go away with time, but I still feel lovely with my Urban Skin RX products, y'all. Oh, my face feels so clean. So clean. Oh, I love that feeling. I just love it because I can't go to the spa all the time and I want the spa to come to me. So that's why I do this, y'all. My Urban Skin RX, my skin is feeling good. I'm gonna get a good shot of this because y'all gotta see the sparkle. I don't know, maybe the sun, I don't know what, but that's all right. My next video, y'all gonna see the sparkle and y'all gonna be like, oh yes. But regardless, I have the scrub. If you want sparkle, if you don't want sparkle, regardless, your skin is gonna feel amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much my spa day. I know you're probably thinking like, well, that's a regular routine I can do every day. Yes, that is my whole point. Take some time out every day to give yourself some self-care. It can be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but be sure to take whatever time that is to focus on your needs. I needed this for my face. Like, I needed this. And this was, you know, roughly maybe 30-40 minutes because of the mask, and I need that at least 2 to 3 times a week. And of course it's not going to be this extravagant with the wine and all that, or maybe it will be, but my whole point is to show you to take care of yourself with self-care, and it can be really nice products that you can use. It doesn't always have to be just, you know, sitting meditation. It can be beauty, it can be your favorite hobby. You may want to go to the gym, but it's just to get that self-care on your calendar and on your agenda. So I hope you guys really like this video. I'm loving all the new products Urban Skin RX has, and I just want to let you know that Urban Skin RX is going to be nationwide in Target stores and in Ulta, so be sure to look out for them, you guys. This is a new product from them called the Even Tone Super Glow Serum, and I'm going to do another video, you know, strictly for this. It's so many products from Urban Skin RX, so if you have any questions, be sure to leave in the comment section. I am going to an event with Urban Skin RX next month in March, so you guys, if you have any questions with Urban Skin RX, please let me know. I'm gonna do my best to answer them. I love their skincare products. It's been officially 1 year since I've used them consistently. So stay tuned. You're gonna see the before pictures, and then of course you see how my skin looks now. So I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to hit me up. Okay, if I take too long, please hit me up again. I'm sorry. You can follow me on Instagram at Diamonds by Dominique for my body scrubs, and also Dominique's Vanity Corner, where I share all type of products and skincare and all that. So I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, click that button, and follow me, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay? Okay. Goodbye. Mwah.